Captain Green displaying the A-10's rolling maneuverability. Captain Green is repositioning the A-10 for a slow roll along the show line to demonstrate the A-10's precise handling characteristics. As Captain Green rolls the A-10, you will notice a fake canopy painted on the belly of the aircraft directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as to the A-10's direction of turn. Now from your right, Captain Green and the slow roll. Captain Green is now performing a classic aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban 8. It's the A-10's remarkable maneuverability that enables it to perform its close air support mission. Twisting and turning low over the battlefield, the Warthog can deliver devastating firepower, destroying targets close to friendly ground forces. In its arsenal are a wide variety of modern weapons, including Maverick missiles, unguided and satellite-guided bombs, cluster bombs, rockets, 30mm bullets, and A-9 air-to-air missiles. All of these weapons have been used to attack enemy forces in Iraq, Bosnia, Kosovo, and Afghanistan. Let's go to the cockpit of the aircraft and see if Captain Green has any words for us here today.
Hello and welcome to the 2010 Singapore Airshow. Myself and the rest of the A-10 East Demonstration Team are proud to perform for you today. We hope you enjoy the show.